Are you tired of spending hours analyzing charts and waiting for the perfect opportunity to enter or exit the market? Do you want to take your trading to the next level? Then you need to learn about algo trading. Algorithmic trading or algo trading is the process of using computer programs to automate trading decisions. With algo trading, you can analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns, and execute trades automatically without the need for human intervention. Manual trading can be frustrating and time-consuming, especially when you're trying to keep up with the market trends and news. But with algo trading, you can take advantage of market opportunities quickly and efficiently. That's why we're excited to introduce our comprehensive algo trading course. And the best part, it's completely free. Our course covers everything you need to know about algo trading, from the basics of Python to advanced strategies and techniques. We will even teach you how to integrate Python with MT5, so you can create your custom trading algorithms. You can download our course syllabus right now from the description. You will learn how to automate your trading using Python, so you can take advantage of market opportunities 24/7 without the need for manual intervention. And the best part? Our course is comprehensive and easy to follow. So even if you are new to algo trading, you'll be able to learn quickly and start making profitable trades with your digital employees. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded. Take control of your trading today and learn how to make profitable trades with our comprehensive algo trading course. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.